Hey, what's up, guys? So we back with another video. Me and my big boy, Jay Rizzity Rock over here.
What's up, y'all?
What we got going on?
Seafood mukbang.
Seafood mukbang, y'all. So let me explain to y'all what we got here. We got some shrimp, broccoli, corn, roasted string beans, and garlic. We got some salmon. We got some crab salad with the crackers. We got some crab legs. We got some boiled eggs. Got everything, right? And I can't forget, I done made my famous sauce here. So, it's garlic butter sauce. So, we get ready to take this bite, y'all. But before we take this bite, I want to pray because a lot has been going on. Good old Poland spring water with some ice. Nothing special, not in particular. So let's get to this prayer. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for this food. For the hands who cooked it, which will be me and my son. Lord Father God, I pray that anyone is having any financial situations that they get through it, housing situations that they get through it. I pray that everyone is safe and taking care of themselves. Father God, put your healing and blessings upon everyone in this world right now. Walk and talk with them as you always do. Amen. Banger, banger, banger. Let's get into this bite, y'all. Okay. So what's up, Jay?
What's up?
What we gonna talk about? What we gonna talk about?
What are you going to talk
Mm. Shout out to B Love because some of the stuff, ingredients, and that I use for my butter sauce, I took some of her hints and stuff that she uses for hers. And my broccoli got soft, y'all. I don't like it when it gets too soft. That's all about life. What about life?
How's it been hard to switch your career? Like how you, I want to be a basketball player, but now I think I want to be a football player.
Yeah, because you was hard on basketball. You and your Steph Curry. I forgot my napkins, y'all. He was in my house. He got the arm, y'all.
Yeah.
The arm for football. But I saw him. Everything's possible. And he's still young. He's only 14, so you can always switch up what you like, what you're into. It's not like it's a full career yet. Because he's just, how do you say, experimenting. That's what I call it. How would you feel about the roasted string beans with the bacon?
For the first time, it's actually good.
Yeah, like, it's my first time making it. Yeah.
You got any shout outs?
Oh, who got their vaccine yet? I went. I think people just trying to scare me because I didn't feel no symptoms. I ain't passed out. I'm not dead. I didn't get a cough, nothing.
But I'm telling y'all, she was really tempted at first sight.
It took me a long time to get it. Long time. And I had to go back for my second dosage this month. Only thing I don't like is when the medicine go in you, it stings. Like, my arm was burning for a minute. Like, I was like, what in the world? And I bled too much, y'all. That's my body. I'm not saying it's going to happen to anybody else. But I forgot to show y'all my grub. Bazinga! So, yes. Okay, y'all. I just started eating. I ain't eat all day. It's 12 o'clock at night here. And you can really eat all day long. First meal of the day. I wonder how my body is going. Because, you know, I can't eat a big portion. But my eyes was like, girl, pack this plate. And I'm just wondering if I'm really going to eat all this.
I'm thinking you probably going to eat half of everything.
No. No. I put my sauce in my little shot glass, y'all. I made a pot of it. But,
Bussin'.
That's I forgot my napkins. Oh my God. These crab legs, I've been waiting for these for so long. About to get up on one of these jump offs. I heard you ask me, do I want to shout anybody out? Do you?
I don't have no idea, Mom.
No classmate or nothing?
No.
Y'all, I think about it. I actually do got somebody that I want to shout out. Kamari! That's my son, y'all. He making my dog bark. Stop doing that. Stop making him bark. Thank you. Good luck. See you later, honey.
Well, who is it?
Oh, guys, I want to shout out to my kids. Sorry, y'all. But shout out to my kids. My kids had parent teacher conference. They had progress reports and report cards. And I must admit, they did better than I thought they would do. Weird, but so true. Their grades were outstanding. And the comments and remarks from the teachers, wonderful. And I gotta say, they fooled me because sometimes when they get home, it's like, you ain't doing no work. You ain't do this. But they're doing their job too in class. And that's wonderful. I hope my children and every other child out there keep up the great work because it was very hard during remote learning for every child. And for y'all to actually step back into the building and still be focused and do such an outstanding job, that's a good thing. Keep up the good work. And he's not the only kid. All my kids got good reports. Oh, wait a minute. Except for one. Don't let me get on here and start lying. You know, I don't lie to y'all. One of my kids, D Money. Y'all know him. Yeah, y'all know him. That boy right there made me want to choke him. And I mean literally choke him out. I got that butt though. Cause he think, oh, she ain't get on me yet, but I got him, y'all. I got him. Yo, man, mommy, can I have, or can I get this new sneakers that's out? Can I get the new grades that's out? Like, for real. He gonna be feeling the wrath, y'all. And he a sneakerhead. Speaking of it, just recently, he done asked me for sneakers already. I said, well, you know what? Let me see what you can do. I look what I did. I put, y'all, it's already crab salad, but I put the whole crab on here, and I'm like, boom, drizzle that. Mmm. Mmm. I cooked this all myself. Me and the kids. I ain't ordered nothing. It's all done by yours truly. I know some of y'all out there. I'm gonna offer y'all a piece of crab. Let me crack it for y'all. Hold on. It's big enough one to crab with the strip? Huh? Alright, hold on. Yeah. Let's say yeah. They want the crab.
How you pull it out like that?
Huh?
How you just pull it out like that? Like, just...
I got magic. Mm-hmm. Hey, y'all, here. Take that bite. Get it. Just bite it already. All right. Let go. Let go. My turn. I don't believe in sharing, but I share it with y'all. So, what you? I'm gonna offer you. What you want on my tray?
Nothing.
Don't take my crab legs though.
I'm honestly full.
You full?
Yeah.
So, y'all, that's shocking coming from my big guy here. We went for his doctor's appointment. His weight's a little bit up there. And he's trying to watch his weight and stay a lot more active. That's good. I noticed that he's starting to have like, normally he can take them 2 or 3 plates. But he's starting to have 1.5 plate. Way less than half of what he had the first time. So
What
that's
about
good.
you? What about you? I think TikTok actually changed her a little bit.
How?
I mean, like, I can't actually like specific.
Boy, you better
name a
stop
specific
acting like
point.
that. What's wrong with you? You already know you got the ratchet, mother. Yes. Like, he be playing with me. I don't know why his boy ain't got to play with me. He be capping, like, capping.
You know what'd be crazy? Like these new, like these parents, new modern day, starting to say new modern day stuff like capping, busting, like.
You don't think I'm hood? I am hood. I'm like the bomb. Like, stop playing.
I know what you're doing.
What?
The ratchet print.
Oh, I think I got a bird. A hat. A hat.
You done?
That one. The ice water was like busting, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? Give me some more of this crab and strumps and stuff, some squimps. Give me some squimps, y'all. My jewels right here ain't quaint. I'm saying, let's take this bite. Let's take this bite. Yeah. Mmm. That's like busting.
I'm done.
You know, I still might need a weave.
I'm done.
Oh my God. What you think if I get me a purple weave? Huh? Why you look confused? You see, we slurp just alike. When y'all drink your water, make sure y'all slurps. Because, you know, ain't nothing better than slurping your water at the end. You feel me? Okay. Yes. I was thinking about calling my man, club, and we were going to go to the club. I want to leave each one of these kids with somebody else. Because you already know. Sister got to get her thotty hottie on in the club.
Excuse me.
That's right, make sure you burp just like that.
Yo!
What's the matter with you? This guy is busting, bro. I actually think I'm getting full. This is weird. I eat all day. Can't be getting full. Somebody scream out, eat, 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 eat. What's wrong with you? Scream out for me. Oh my God. Yo, sus, we like burping loud. Woo! Trying to get this crab out door. But this crab don't want to come out. You love your mother? You love your mother? Huh? Mother with a V? Mother? Huh? You want some juice? You know I got that banging juice, right? Y'all got this busting juice right here, huh? Y'all see my busting juice? See, busting. Lemonade. Lemonade. Say it with me. Lemonade. Then you gotta shake that baby. I'm gonna tell me the busting juice. Here you go. That's my broski right here. We be on the court like, yo, who making this hoop? Yo, go for it. Shoot defense. You know what I'm saying?
You put two different sports together?
No, I didn't. I be knowing my sports, hunty.
Besides, I'm not in the court anymore. I'm on the field.
Well, we still be on both fields. Right, honey? Huh? Ain't that right? Excuse me. That's how you do the Harlem Shake, y'all. You be like, alright? That's how you do that, right? Excuse me while I scream my kid, go sit your butt down. How's your lemonade? How's your lemonade? Huh? He don't want to answer me. He over here ignoring me, y'all. I don't know. We can't be having our sons be ignoring us. Okay? What you put your head on for? You embarrassed of your mother? Peekaboo. My son told me he was gay. So I was like,
Why you bugging? You bugging. Yo.
You want to tell me not? So I was like, honey, I got your back.
I'm straight.
I'm like, honey, I got your back.
Straight all the way.
Let me finish saying it. But I told you.
But no, you didn't tell me nothing because I'm not gay. Yo.
Stop. Back to this boy. He was like,
Pretty boy swag, which means I'm a ladies' man. That's not no like, yo, she.
Well, how come he gonna tell me the other day? This came the other day, right?
Yo, she's bugging for real.
He was like, see, I just broke that apart like that. He told me, man, that's how I be breaking my niggas apart.
Oh,
I was like, say
she
what?
got do shit. I ain't gay. Don't believe. Nobody believe that.
I was like, oh my God, you can't be breaking them down like that. It was like, skills, man. Like, so shocking. I'm like, honey, don't be pretending you gay. That you not gay, my bad, y'all.
Pretending I'm gay. See? I'm not gay and she know that.
He came out of the closet. He even showed me. He stepped out that closet. He was like, Ma, I want to step in my closet like this. Hi, everybody. How you doing? I'm like, wow. Did they say hi, you black? He was like, my homeboy looked at me like, I was like, what you did? He was like, I slapped him with my pad. I'm sorry, you sure did. You did that. You did that. You know what I'm saying? Be 100 keys, 100%. Okay? I'm saying, I just had him on his back. Tell him it's a right, son. Slap him with the pad. He said the pad didn't have no blood on it. It only had pee on it. I'm like, well, that's good enough. Mm-hmm. Tell them about your transality. What's been going on?
Ain't no gay person gonna play football. Ain't no gay person gonna play basketball. I'm not gay. What about you? What about you? Liking young mom?
I like young mom, but he told me he liked the baby.
The baby. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh no. I do not know no.
See how he studied me on? You
The
see
baby.
how he studied?
I know who the baby is, but bro.
Uh-huh.
It's cap.
He like, I come out the closet.
You done? My mom told me she tried to holler at another person.
What you say, sweetie?
Forgot her name though.
Mm-hmm. I remember your name. Your name that you like. Mm-hmm. The baby. Mm-hmm. Yeah, sometimes my feelings dies. You know my son got D boy. I'm like, well, honey, it's all right. I'm gonna put my shield on it. He don't mind, y'all.
Empty.
Whoa. Oh, that's crab roll. You know what I'm saying? Why you keep putting that hood on your head? Huh?
I wish I had AirPods, bro.
What you gonna do with AirPod? Are you gonna ignore me?
Remember, I'll start paying attention to video. Yeah.
Y'all, he said he gonna tune your girl out. Okay. Gonna tune your girls out. How you gonna do that? Somebody needs to phone him. Hello, Jay Shore, it's not gonna work. Now he better go call the baby.
Talk about how you be in the days when you be watching Young and May videos.
I don't know what you mean.
Nah. You watching Young and May videos, you be like, I told Mom, I said, I had to tap her twice in order to get my attention. But if I call her name, she'll be like, I said, you know, she's looking at you like, oh yeah, I know her, I'm looking at her. I'm like, jeez, like, I don't know.
Do you know what you're talking about?
Yep, I know that you are obsessed with Young and May.
Because I don't even know what you're talking about. Who is Young and May?
Female rapper.
A female rapper.
And you know that.
I didn't actually. Remember, put the burp out loud. Let me show you how to burp out loud. Hello. 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 Excuse me. Excuse me. Would you want me to show you how to burp out loud? Hello. Could you answer the question? I'm still got all the flavors in my mouth. Let me eat this corn for y'all. Let me see. What's the matter? What's the matter? Don't come here, Faye.
Ow!
You did that. You did that. When you come here, Faye, you were shaming your mother. He scratched his out, y'all. Why are you covering your face? You don't like the way I eat corn? That's how the ratchet chicks eat corn.
Why you ain't got no class no more?
I was never rat. I mean, I said rat.
Yeah.
I was never white, okay? You know I'm that ratchet. You know I be going to your school with my bonnet on and stuff, y'all. With some roses in my hand, like, yo, what's up? I be having 2 roses because you know I ain't got no hair, y'all.
Yeah, right, but she wasn't looking like that.
I be having some
She was looking like that
slippers.
from my principal, though. My principal, she was looking.
I work in his school, y'all. I be on there popping my gum like this in the principal face.
She is capping right now.
So what you ain't do today? Let's get on with this.
She capping.
That be me, y'all.
She's capping.
That be me, right? Is that a pimple? You scratched a pimple?
You gotta know I got a pimple right there.
We all got pimples.
The only thing I don't like about pimples is that it takes too long to
That's
go away.
part of.
Yo, you go back to you. Like, no.
It's part of growing up and maturating.
What is that?
You know, when you get older and stuff be changing and circulating and moving around and growing. You know?
No.
Alright, y'all. So let me go into detail. So when your thing down I was just trying to school you and let you know. You said you don't know. Excuse me, sir. He covered his ears. He already know. I be like that. Ratchet. I be like, go boy. Right? Right? Be doing that. I be dancing. Huh? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. You just want to ignore me like that? Huh? How you gonna ignore me like that? How you gonna ignore me like that? So you ain't even want to talk to our people. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. That's be like the bomb, right? That food was good.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. 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 Do you love your mother? I can't hear you. Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
Could you sit up? What you
Yeah, I do.
what you full? You full? You
Yeah,
want nigga huh?
Yep. Got nigga.
Alright, so sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Alright, come here, sit down. I gotta tell you something.
You prank me. That's what it is, right? Ratchet prank. Yup. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I pranked you. That's called that's called Megan Thee Stallion ratchet prank. You like that prank? Huh?
Oh, you get that from YouTube, right?
Don't worry about where you get it from. Did you like that prank? How you feel?
Don't know.
Did you like it when I act like that?
I don't know.
Okay. So guys, since he don't know, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dress up my most hoochiest clothes, right? I'm gonna go down to the school. I'm like, yeah, I'm here to pick up Jay Sean early. Jay Sean Ratley.
No, she not.
And I bet I'll take y'all along with me. So how did you feel about that prank?
Kind of bad.
Did you like when I act like that? Hmm? But y'all, he's still ratchet. See how he slurp? He is not gay. That was another prank. To see your face, was like, oh, no. How you feel about that one? Was you surprised that I said that?
Yeah.
See, I don't know why you want to go and scratch your pimple. Just showing you love your mama. I'm annoying.
You should know it's a lie.
Yo, he be the main one. When everybody goes to sleep, I be messing with him. I got another prank for him though. Y'all better stay tuned.
I got a prank for you too.
Alright. Who wanna get who first?
don't know. Do y'all watch? Comment down below if y'all watch Our Kind of People.
It's coming back on.
Yeah. Tuesday. Also, Residents too. Residents. I ain't gonna
It's
lie.
starting with me in hospital shows. I don't know. No, in hospital.
She like to see them cut them, like.
Do surgery.
Yeah. Cut them all open. Like, nah, I don't like watching that.
What's that channel? Crime. Is that Crime where they do autopsy? And they got the lady.
Yeah, NCIS.
No, I'm talking about
Oh yeah.
on the other channel.
Yeah, I remember.
And they got that lady, doctor. She be doing autopsies on. She white.
Also, what about your favorite football teams? In this house, it's all Giants.
If it ain't the Giants, it ain't right. When the Giants play again, though, that's. Yeah, I hope I fixed it on my comments, though, guys. But comment on it. Your favorite football team, your favorite basketball team. Favorite football team for me is the Giants. Favorite basketball team for me is the Lakers. Rest in peace to Kobe and Gigi. His favorite basketball team is the Warriors. Did I say they Golden State Warriors?
No, Lakers are good.
But we beat them.
Yeah, only time I can the Lakers really was when Kobe and Gigi.
That's what a lot of people, and that's weird. I've been like the Lakers.
But now LeBron is on
years ago, way before I had kids, and he's now 14. So
LeBron James, he good, but it's not up there.
He trying to take Kobe's spot.
You don't need that.
Wouldn't you want some more of my food? I see you looking.
I'm just saying you ain't touch your crab with your crackers and
I did.
So you took a cracker.
Yeah, and I ate some with some shrimp.
Oh. Oh my god.
I'm getting full. So, got anything else you want to say? You like soccer or hockey?
No.
I never really was into hockey, like. But I will take that hockey puck and bust somebody in the head with it. See, look, he thinking like me. He said,
oh yeah, if y'all like she said about the comments, if y'all can't comment on YouTube, see if I can go to our TikTok. Try to show me stuff like that. So
that's it. Yeah, I'm full. I still got a lot of food. I mean, a lot. And I'm beyond full. It's just crazy. You know what I'm having for my midnight snack or breakfast? Damn, I hit. Oh, you know what I didn't touch was my fish. I'm gonna take a little piece of that for y'all. Alright. Hope y'all can see that. We grilled it. It's not fried and all that. I'm forcing myself. Share this video. Like. Comment. Make sure y'all tell somebody else. So they can also subscribe. We got everything coming for y'all. Everything. We do pranks, music, mental and health talks. What else we doing here? Take y'all on the vlogs, out shopping and things with us.
We should do like
Comment some more skits that y'all want to see. Some more foods y'all want us to try.
one thing we should do is like do like a whole board game video, like we did that before. But we should have like more games. Uno, Connect 4, Monopoly.
I never really got the hang of Monopoly.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it out. I know I'm gonna be the one to lose.
Keep on thinking she the queen of Uno.
Uno is my thing, okay? Uno, I can do Uno. Somebody asked me, you play cards? I'm like, what kind of cards? Uno? They're like, spades. I'm like, I don't know how to play spades. I never understood the concept of spades. I really didn't.
There's another one card game. What's that one? ID Claymore.
Yeah.
I like that one too.
So I guess this is the end of this video. Pranked him. Ratchet prank. Megan Thee Stallion.